We'll be replacing the halogen side marker lights on this 2007 Toyota Prius with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. The bulbs are located here, and we can access them underneath the hood. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove. Unplug the bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket. We will replace it with this LED light from ALO Lighting. The base is the same as the halogen bulbs. Replace the bulb by pushing it straight into the socket. Lining up these tabs. Place into the housing and turn clockwise to lock. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here's a 2007 Toyota Prius with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature to the halogen bulbs.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALO Lighting.